Make it easy and create brilliance. Dongguan Cast Stream Steel Precision Castings Company Limited. Located in Hungli Town, Dongguan, a famous mold manufacturing town, Dongguan Cast Stream Steel Precision Castings Company Limited. We using state-in-the-art technology focus casting precision components with our expertise, dedication to quality and emphasis. Service and what making our company leading supplier castings across the China with a plant area of about 12,000 square meters. The company has about 180 employees and the equipment's investment of the company is about 30 million RMB with the annual production capacity of 3,000 tons of precision steel castings. The annual output value of the company is about 280 million RMB. And the company is the chairman of China Precision Casting Industry Association units. Adhering to the business philosophy of intelligent, high quality, environment friendly, earnest, struggle and friendship, the company produced product quality with cutting-edge technology to manufacture precision investment castings, and with our expertise dedication to taking the large share on market sales. The company has continuously introduced many high-precision double-position wax presses, Shell automatic drying line, high-pressure steam dewaxing kettle, 150 kilogram intermediate frequency melting furnace, gas baking furnace, crawler-type shot blasting machine, fully automatic cutting, gate grinding machine, fully automatic baking line, CNC lathe, CNC processing center, and other high-precision production equipments, and made them equipped with a full range of quality assurance equipments, three-dimensional and two-dimensional coordinate measuring instrument, spectrum analyzer, salt spray test chamber, Rockwell hardness tester, and other quality control equipments, which greatly enhance the production efficiency and ensure the product's quality, and equipped with a full range of advanced environmental treatment equipments, in line with the latest national environmental protection laws and regulations emissions standards. The company has practiced the social responsibility of enterprises with practical actions. The company's products system covers construction hardware, communications hardware, sports equipments, auto parts, machinery parts, industrial products, and other hardware products. The company has been awarded a number of invention patents, and the company has passed international system certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16949, IECQ, QC 080000, EICC. Since the operation of the factory, the company has established good and close long-term partnership with Huawei, Volkswagen, Ford, ZTE, AMCC, ALDG, Delta, and other world-renowned large factories. 60% of the products are exported to Europe, America, Japan, Korea, and other countries. With the continuous improvement and concerted efforts of the employees, the company has been recognized and honored by customers and unanimously favored and praised by customers. Our employees are dedicated and proud of their work. We care about our customers as much as we do. We always focus on customer satisfaction and the dignity of the work we well done.